Hi everyone, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and we are going to work on our savings challenges today. I believe there's like $141. I recounted after the last video. It was all wrong, but something like that. I'm not going to get too crazy about counting it because it's all just going to the same place. And we had $10 left over from our cash wallet that went into there. Let's go ahead and do our emergent B. Can find my tracker. Just gonna put $10 in here tonight. Today, whatever it is, it's very late at night here. I actually got home from work and I fell asleep, so we're doing it pretty late tonight. Okay, so we have $310 in emergent B. And then a pocket full of giving. We are adding $5. So we are at $105. Okay. On our pretty one, we have been doing the twos. So get you, that's too close. Okay, so we've been working on the twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I think I will do that. Just fill in 10 of these, or $10 worth. Right. The $10 bill in here. Okay, we've gotten that done. We can go ahead and start on our games and get my stuff out here. Need to roll to see which game we are playing. We are doing 5, which is rock, paper, scissors. Well, let's do this one. Okay, I need my rock, paper, scissors dice. And it is rock, which is $5. Let's go ahead and go one more time. And that is paper, which is $10. Great, rock, paper, scissors has 15 in it. Great. What is the next game that we will play? It's 2, which is Shut the Box. It's been a while since I've played this one. Okay, so I only need one pin. Okay. Shut the box. I have 6. And 3. And 8. 10. So 9 and 1. And 5. And 5, which I cannot do. So we owe 7, 11, 12, 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. That be it for this game. Great. So next game we are going to play is roll the dice. Great. And I switch that out, different color. So we have 6 and can't do a 1, so we'll do the 6. And 6 and 5, that's 11. 3 and 3, that is 6. 9, so 5 and 4. I'll put one of these back and take a, oh no, I can't do a 10. So 5, 10, 15, and 20. We can do a 20. Still, now I can do 9. There. All right, a 5 and a 2. I don't have any more 2s left, so I can do a 5. 5 and a 4. Do one more 4. A 3 and a 2, so I can do a 3. And then a 6 and a 5. Do 6. I think I probably should be done with this. So there's 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the next game will be 4, which is the scratch game. And get my scratcher. So 2, so 1, 2. That is a 13. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's do one more. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and that is 1. Doing 1, 2, 3. So 12. So 5, 10, 11, and 12. 1. It's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I might as well just, don't know if I should keep going or not. I am. I'm going to finish it if I can. So there's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I owe this one $2. Right. And that is going to be the end of all of my scratch off games, all of my games tonight. All right, friends, thank you for being here with me. I will see you in the next video, and have a great time. Until then, bye.